Hi everyone. You can see I'm in my raggedy clothes, so I'm busy in the garden as usual. Since I'm doing this work, I just thought let me record it. Let there be proof of all my hard work. So what I'm doing is I'm just getting all this rock out of here. Let me just show you a close up of what it's like. This rock is too big. So you can see this rock is too big to fit in between, and we've managed with this. Look how untidy it is. It just comes out from the gaps and just lies about. It's been like this for about 5 years, and it's just annoying because it's always out and stepping on it. So I'm taking all this rock out. I'm gonna get smaller rock or fine gravel to fill into the grooves. And I'm taking all of this and I'm putting it in the garden bed at the back. I've just cleaned up all the weeds around this, my guava tree. I've taken out the weeds there. Oops. And there, I'm putting all the rock around these trees. See, they're so sad, these chili trees. And my time is okay though. But yes, I'm filling out the rock there so I can use it up. And so once I do all that, I've got this whole area to fill in. I'm just gonna do that, and then I'll show you the um, finished product. This is the next project, and yeah, so there's all the rocks that I'm taking out. I have got quite a bit out, so you can see all my hard work. And while I'm pulling out the rocks, I just pull out the silly weeds that just won't let up. Oh well. Anyway, let me show you this one weed. Look how beautiful this dandelion is. Oh my god. How cute is that yellow? So ready. This is like spring, the epitome of spring. I'll have to pull it out soon though. But anyway, at least it got some airtime. And let me put you down, do some work, and then I'll show you the finished product. I need to show you how hard I'm working because I have been picking all these rocks. So you don't want to see this whole portion. I mean, it's so big area. So I'll do all of it, and I'll do one portion and record it, and then I will show you what it looks like after I've taken off everything. Yes. Oh, look, throw the weeds in there. You can see how large these rocks are. They're not the right size, and we didn't choose them. So I'm not to blame. Anyway, I'm gonna continue picking as much as I can today. I just love getting in here, and I'm constantly pulling them out. tired. Oh my god. To get a seat to do this. I don't know how long I've got this kid's chair. Must have been one of my son's chairs, but it's years and years old. But I use it whenever I need to for jobs like this. Because I've got so much to go. I'm so tired already. Oh my god. Anyway, let's just keep going. I can't reach everything if I sit down. It's so annoying. I need longer arms. Okay, look how much I've done. All the way there. And then, I've got that to do. But I'm getting there. Right. All the rock is out. And I had planted these little sempervivens. I'll just leave that there. But taking it all out, swept up this pavers, and there. We made a start. So these are the fine crushed rock that's going to go in between. So quite a bit to do here. And then it's going to change this whole place. Once finished, then I'll do another update on it. But yes. Oh, let me show you my little messy, my seeding. Look how healthy it is under here. Just loving it. I'll leave that there because it's underneath the bench, so it's not disturbing us. Okay. Right. Do you like it, Petal? All done. So that's it. Oh my gosh. So, putting the rock in wasn't as bad as taking those huge rocks out. We just filled in everywhere and patted it down. Not a good job, but anyway, that hopefully will stay in each of the grooves. And that's it. And I put in, you won't be able to see it, but I put in this little misty everywhere to hopefully catch on, and then it gives it some contrast. That's that. And what else? Nothing else much here. That needs a cleanup. And oh, if you see this black container, that's my container to catch the rainwater. No rain now. Oh, it's so dry. All the rain that came, I usually collect them and fill it in a bottle and keep it to use for my other plants. That's that. And I hope you enjoyed this little makeover just to neaten this backyard. Right, that's it. Bye for now.